Hello there, YouTube. I hope you all having a blessed day. It has been rainy here on the mountain all day today, and I believe for the next day or so the weather will continue. I hope the weather is sunny and warm wherever you are and that you are enjoying yourself. This is a wild and crazy January, that's for sure. Today it was 62 degrees out, and it is January 9th, or it was 7 minutes ago. Now it's the 10th. I am in the mood to have a bit of play with my karatakis. I got my new set of the Art Nouveau set, and I'm using a couple of those colors. I am using color card 343 out of volume 2 of the Color Cube by Sarah Renee Clark. And if you are interested in getting yourself a set of these amazing palette cards, you can find the link in my description down below. For the rest of the materials that I'm using, other than the Bauhong paper, I got in bulk on AliExpress. And I'm using my Karatakis, which I got through Amazon, and the link will be in my Amazon shop down below. And I'm going to be using an indigo, a cobalt turquoise, a burnt sienna that may be a bit too light, so I might add a touch of the indigo in there. And I'm using Potter's Pink for this color, and I am mixing Rose Beige and Mars Yellow to get this color. And I guess we can start with, why not, go bold or go home. All right, I'm going to let this dry and I will come back. I am going to do a bit of mark making, and the first thing that I'm using is my Faber-Castell Pitt Graphite Matte 14B pencil, and I'm just going to be making some little marks. I'll do it with my other hand, my non-dominant hand, so it doesn't seem perfect. Not that it would be, but and this is my Zig Mangaka Opaque Liner in gold, and it's a Kuretake product. Came in this set, has copper, gold, silver, and white. Now let's add some dots, add some beads to the necklace here that we've put. And it doesn't have to be round, you could change it to a different shape. I like doing triangles, so let's do some triangles out here. You can do any shape that floats your boat. This is my Uniball Signo white pen, and I think everyone on the planet has a love-hate relationship with these. When they work, they are the best white pen you can get when they work. They can work fine for a few weeks, and then all of a sudden, nope, they go on permanent early retirement. Call me wild and crazy, but I'm in the mood for some temper sticks. Yes, indeedy do. I am. There's a dark blue. I think this piece is done for the day. So let me pull the tape and we will see what we've got. And of course it went under the tape. Alright, let's see what we can do with that mess now. Let's see if some gold framing might take away from the sloppy border that we have here. Do little Wi-Fi signals here in the corner. Well, I hope you had fun with this, and I hope that you will give it a try. It's really easy, and I have really been having a art block the last couple of weeks, and I've been struggling really hard to produce videos, and I think I know why I'm having problems. And that's because while Sanjay was down here, I kind of stepped away from the Lord. And I stopped doing my scripture writing and my Bible reading and listening to my friend Lawrence on Pilgrim Devotions. And I need to get back to that. I need to apologize to the Lord and ask him to give me another chance. Of course he will. And to help me with my creativity, because it all comes from him. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I would so appreciate your well wishes and prayers to help me get my mojo back. And I will see you right back here at 70 Acre Studio with my next video real soon. I love you all so very much. God bless.
Good night, Elizabeth.
Good night, John Boy. You are